Hey, Sneekylinux back again today. Today we have for your delight ROSA, R-O-S-A, LXDE Fresh Desktop. Uses LXDE, of course, yeah, LXDE, going down the LXDE path. There are other versions, but I thought I'd give this one a go, see how we are. Now, once it's installed, which takes quite a while, it's not the quickest installer in the entire world, it's quite nice to use. There have been a few hiccups, by the way, but I'll get onto them in a minute, if you know what I mean. Right, okay, mandrivia based, mandrake, it goes back in time, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so it's that sort of stuff, okay? What do you get with the LXDE version? Well, shall I show you, and we'll find out, okay? Right, down here, I'll go from the bottom bar. Remember, it's LXDE, so I won't stay on it too long. You should know what it looks like, but I'm just showing you to see what it's like and see how it goes, Time, desktop recorder, my Ethernet, butthole, my sound, my language. Over here we have Iconify Windows. We have the LXDE Control Center, which we'll come back to. We also have Firefox as your default browser. Now the system's all installed and updated. It's a full install on hardware, so yum 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 yum. Yeah, really good. And so have we LX Terminal. Let's open it, yeah. Hello LX Terminal, how are you? Here's me, Sneaky, yeah, I'm doing ROSA, yeah baby. And also we have here File Manager, which is PCman FM. I don't think I've got a CD in the drive. No, I haven't. And there's all my stuff. As you can see, I've had a couple of crashes, yeah. I'll tell you all about that in a second. But yeah, it's basically all you need to know, really. Now, you don't actually get too much with it, but don't worry about that. If you want a mandrivia-based distribution, or go back even Mandrake, or whatever you want to call it, there's lots of names. I'll show you. So, accessories, you have a calculator, installer and move software, leaf pad, LX terminal, puzzle loader, and X archiver, you would expect. Just an image viewer, no gimpage. Internet, Claws Mail for your mail, FileZilla for your transferring of stuff. Firefox, as I said before, and Pigeon for internet messaging. Okay. Under Office, you get LibreOffice. I'm not sure if it's the full suite. I think it's part of the suite. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just part of. You're missing all the base and all the other stuff there, aren't you? Okay. They could have put every word numeric in there, really, and got away with it even lighter. But hey, ho, I'm just the messenger. Don't shoot me, my Russian bros. Sound and video. As standard, you get dead beef, pulse audio, and VLC media player for your video stuff. I've installed GTK Record My Desktop so we can do the video on a full install. Under System Tools, your File Manager, Gigolo, GR Sync, set up your VPN, Task Manager, which will open up and show you. Right, as you can see, this is a dual core machine, by the way. It's not doing too bad, really. Even without recording, it's using around about 210 megabytes of RAM. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, of course it is. So anyway, that's that bit out of the way. What else? You're getting, that's about it, really. Yeah, not too much. An X term, of course. Under Preferences, Flash is installed by default, by the way, and you should get some codecs in there, nicey. Customise your look and feel. Yeah, well, we know it's true, don't we? I'm going to run Gparted, so you know that it's actually a full install. Dun 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 dun. Who eat all the pies, baby. And there's my 250 gig hard disk on this particular machine. And as you can see, got some bits and bobs going down there. I've not used any at all. Okay, that's that bit out of the way. Okay, what else under Preferences? Not too much really. A grub customizer, which is very nice. Right, I'm going to go to the LXDE Control Center. Yeah, I am. I know the icon on the bottom, but I thought we'd go from that way first. Okay, and it's rather nice, isn't it? So, is it rather nice? What do you reckon? It's okay. It's fresh, exciting, so delighting to me. Change the appearance, so we'll click on there. So configure open box, change your background, set up your screensaver, configure your themes and icons, adjust the screen resolution. Well, I don't actually need to, but I'll open it for you. As you can see, it's 1920 by 1080, so that's super duper. Lovely. It's not even a VGA monitor. Did I do that again? Well, it's not a VGA monitor. Never mind, okay. Configure your fonts, okay. Then you've got network and configuration. Configure your host name, set up your firewall, etc, etc. Programs, check your system updates, add remove programs, edit software, set your favorite applications, system and security, DM select, configure your boot, all the usual expect. Oh, hardware and sound. So here you can configure all your hardware. So if you need extra drivers, like I have here, you set it all up, it'll be all hunky-dory. Yeah, okay. Well, while we're doing this, I've installed the proprietary NVIDIA drivers for this, and they got updated. Right, it does bug the system, okay? It goes back to a TTY1, I think it is. Yeah, I know, it's not very good. Oh, by the way, this is Firefox 22. I've updated the system, of course. It comes with 21, but this is 22. Lovely, nice. Open to Firefox, yeah, go to the start page, even better. Yes, the NVIDIA drivers do bug the system, and then they bug it again as soon as you update the system. But we're on to 3.19 now, I think, for the NVIDIA drivers. But please remember, this is only a 8400 NVIDIA card. For my American friends there who say it like that. Okay, it's a base card. It's not for game or anything. So maybe it's just a card. Yeah, could be, couldn't it? So anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to go to that Bubba. Check it out, baby. See what happens. There we are. It's my homepage. Comes up alright, doesn't it? Yeah, comes up alright. Okay, go to the news page, make sure it's all working out. The box. Yeah, very nice indeed. Yeah, go to technology just in case anything new that I missed today. Oh, Ubisoft hack hits millions of gamers. Very nasty, very nasty. Anyway, that's enough of that. Go back to Google. Yeah, we can do that another time, can't we? YouTube should work out of the box as Flash is installed by default. So what I'll do, I'll go back to me. And we should be there. Dun, 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 dun. Scroll down a bit. Yeah, we'll open up the Manjaro one, shall we? Just make sure it plays. It should be no problemo, okay? There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's an advert. Who would have thought that? Who would have thought there'd be an advert on a video on YouTube? Of course, I've got to make money somewhere. Okay, here we go. And my video is playing super duper fine, lovely jubbly. What more can I say? Yeah. Working nice. Ding dong. Make it a bit bigger. There you go. And we're in there. We're in 360. So it's not, it's not too much, but yeah. Okay. There we go. Plays nicely out of their box. Okay. I can't show you none of the tennis. No, because I'd be breaking the law, wouldn't I? You know what? Because it's Wimbledon over here. Anyway. Very, very nice. I know there's not much to the video for the simple reason there's not much to the distro. Unless you get the Gnome or the KD version, then there should be more to work on, really. But if you want a mandrivia-based distro and you're willing to put up with some hiccups, maybe, with your hardware stuff that's proprietary, ROSA Fresh LXDE desktop is very, very nice. Yeah, I could recommend it. I'm going to give it 89. Yeah. Sneeky Linux. Going out. See you later. Bye-bye.